An investigation is underway after a 44-year-old man died while being arrested by police in the South Australian town of Clare. Isabella Carboni is at the scene for us. Isabella, what do we know about this incident?
Good morning, Gemma. Just after midday on Sunday, police were called to this suburban street in Clare, about 150 kilometres north of Adelaide. They were responding to reports of a man armed with a metal pole causing a disturbance. When officers arrived on the scene, they found that man causing property damage, and he allegedly threatened two officers with the pole. Police deployed a taser, which they say was ineffective. They then went hands-on with the arrest, and it was during this time that police say the 44-year-old man became unresponsive. Police administered first aid before ambulance crews arrived on the scene, but that man has died. Police haven't been able to tell us the cause of his death, but SAPOL's major crime unit is investigating. Yesterday, this quiet suburban street behind me, just next to the Riesling Trail in Clare, was swarming with police officers. Gemma, this incident is now the subject of a police commissioner's inquiry. That means that due to legislation, we're restricted in what we can and can't report. I can tell you that this man involved was 44 years old and from Adelaide's far outer northern suburbs, that no police officers were injured in the incident. Police are now preparing a report for the coroner, and the investigation into the incident is continuing, Gemma.
Isabella Carboni there, thank you.